There's some magic in there. There's some secret sauce in
Okay.
there. There's some system integration know-how. There's some attention to the details that we need to do. But ultimately, Oculus and they need to test our device. So we send actually our mass production device. First time we sent to them was a i5 8 gig GTX 1050, and they had to test it through multiple different methods, through automatic tests and through subjective tests, to make sure that what they experience, what they want their end user to see, because Oculus brand is that powerful, that prestigious. So you don't want to just put any product's name. I mean, you just don't want to put their name on just any product. You have to really feel and see your product before they can put their logo onto your devices. So we're really happy. Like starting back to school, we finally got the approval for the Coffee Lake i5 1050 to be approved, and that happens to be one of the most entry spec for gaming notebooks, and that opens up a huge potential market for almost everyone. Because in the past, we're looking at about $12.99 for a 1060 plus $399 for an Oculus. That's what, $1,700, $1,800 plus tax. And we're looking at closer to $2,000 for an Oculus experience. But now, potentially, we can see $11.99 total package, or $10.99, and maybe in the holidays, something even lower. And just to open up the experience of VR. And once you experience VR, especially in VR gaming, it's huge.